This is a nor'easter we're dealing with. Temperatures are on the warm side, which means we're not dealing with snow and wind, but we are dealing with rain and wind. We're in the 60s for high temperatures today, but starting tomorrow, we dive into the 50s. This is a live look in Springfield. It's pleasant out there.
Kelly, please tell me you don't like candy corn.
No, not really. Well, here's the thing, like one piece is okay, and you're like, oh, this isn't bad, and then you have a second one, and you're like, oh, too much.
You know what? I'll give you that.
Definitely an extra spurts of hairspray kind of day. Very humid out there, even though temperatures are going to stay in the upper 60s and low 70s.
We do have a flood watch in effect for Hampden County, Hampshire County, and central and eastern Franklin counties through tomorrow evening. The National Weather Service may cancel that a bit early, but we're talking 1 to 4 inch rainfall totals. Most of us are going to be in the lower end of that.
Henri was downgraded from a hurricane to a tropical storm, which means all hurricane warnings have been canceled. There is now a tropical storm warning in effect.
We may get our first frost soon?
So we could be dipping into the 30s for the start of next week, but that's mainly next week.
Days away.
We are definitely not seeing an early spring here in western Massachusetts, folks. I'm live in Springfield right now on Sumner Avenue. We have plenty of snow on the ground and the roads. I'm going to show you just how much we have here. Roughly looks about 2.5 inches. It's almost getting near the 3-inch mark.
This is a 22 News Storm Team update.
Good Thursday morning, everyone. Time now is 8:57. Really starting to brighten up out there across western Massachusetts. I mean, look at Shakopee. You can see a lot of blue sky. Pretty big difference compared to a few hours ago. We are rather cloudy and will continue to brighten up as the day goes on. So if you're not bright yet, you'll get there. Temperatures out there, 37 in Pittsfield, 43 in Beckett, 40 degrees in Peru. A lot warmer for us here in the lower Pioneer Valley, closer to the mid to the upper 40s. The best part about today, not windy. Wind blowing in from the north, but a pretty typical wind, 5 to 10 miles per hour. Over the next few hours, 10 o'clock, partly sunny, 48, 1 o'clock bright, 54. Good morning, everyone. We have a 22 News Storm Team weather alert in effect for today. Nor'easter bringing us rounds of rain and some increasing wind. Right now it's raining in downtown Springfield, but on the clouds and radar, notice not everyone's raining at the same time. It's not going to be raining every second of the day. We're just going to have a lot of periods of rain, but right now a lot of Franklin County and eastern Hampden County is dry. Temperatures out there upper 40s and low 50s, and it is a bit breezy as the day goes on. Wind will only increase. Temperatures are going to stay in the 50s all day long.
Good morning, everyone, and happy Friday. Time now is 6:44. Thanks for joining us. Greenfield sure has brightened up quite a bit. Greenfield is looking blue, I guess you could say. And a lot of us are going to brighten up this morning and overall throughout the day, partly to mostly sunny. Over the next few days, today's high temperature definitely on the cool side, 72 degrees. Humidity is going to drop as the day goes on, so there's some good news there. Tomorrow, the humidity stays low all day long. Bright sunny sky, 75 degrees. Humidity is going to be a bit sticky on Sunday, not oppressively so, but you are going to notice the increase, and it is going to be quite a bit warmer on Sunday. High temperature up to 83 degrees. Your morning bus stop going back to this morning, 6 to 7 o'clock, 59 degrees. That's sort of the average temperature for us here in western Massachusetts. But we are going to be nice and dry, a nice sun cloud mix. So if you're heading out here soon to the bus stop, you should be just fine. Palmer, Springfield reaching 72 degrees late this afternoon. Westfield 73 and Blandford a little bit cooler at 66. Hampshire County, Middlefield 65, 72 in Northampton and Amherst, and 72 degrees in Belchertown. Franklin County highs, Charlemont 67, 72 in Greenfield and South Deerfield, 71 degrees for Orange today, and high temperatures in the Berkshires in the 60s. Most areas the mid to the upper 60s. It is going to be a tad bit breezy this afternoon. This morning looks okay, but as we get to the afternoon hours, we are going to see winds around 10 to 15 miles per hour. Now that's the sustained wind. We could see gusts up to 20 miles per hour for us here in the lower Pioneer Valley. We could see gusts even higher than that in the Berkshires. So just keep that in mind if you're spending time outside for today. 22 Storm Team Skycast, 8 o'clock this morning. You can see sun and clouds, some of us brighter than others. And as the day progresses, partly to mostly sunny. And a few of those clouds could produce a spot sprinkle, spot shower. Most of us will not see a thing. I really wouldn't worry too much about it. By 9 o'clock, though, hey, we're nice and clear. So if you're going out late for your Friday night out, you don't even have to worry about a spot sprinkle. Overnight, we stay clear. And then tomorrow, 7 o'clock in the morning, I know a lot of us are sleeping, but the sun is going to be shining. Tomorrow afternoon is going to be nice and bright as well. Actually, it's going to stay sunny most of the weekend. Overnight clear and cool. Overnight lows 46 to 52 degrees. And tomorrow sunny, not humid, highs in the low to the mid 70s. 22 News Storm Team 7-day forecast. Sunday, remember the humidity goes up a bit. It's also going to be quite a bit breezy.